Hello, hello, hello. Great day, great day, great day. In this short video, I'm going to be talking about how to visualize for beginners and for advanced users. I have a couple of suggestions that I can give the advanced users to enhance their own visualizations. But first, let's get to a point where we can understand what visualization is in the broad terms. Visualization primarily means seeing something in the mind's eye, seeing something in your imagination. Visualization. Now, when you visualize, you can also incorporate the other five senses when you're visualizing. You can visualize touch. You can make a sound. You can incorporate taste. I have a lemon here. When you are visualizing, this is for advanced users, when you're visualizing your desires in your mind and you're seeing it from 3 dimensions, you are seeing your desire, that what you want, in a 3-dimensional way. You're looking at it from one angle, and then you can look at it from another angle. You can go above and you can go below. So when you're visualizing, when you're able to do that around what it is you're trying to desire. It could be money, it could be something in the grocery store, it could be anything. You look at it from different angles. Try to see it in color. Pick one very distinctive color and look at your image. It might take a few seconds. And when you're doing this, always remember, breathe from your spiritual heart. I can't tell you people this enough. Breathe from your spiritual heart. This is the center of creation. So your vibration during this time you're watching this, you're vibrating that frequency, that desire out there, and you're visualizing it. And you're seeing it. There's no rush. This works a lot. One of my favorite techniques or tools is Neville Goddard's SATS technique, state akin to sleep. That twilight part where you're just about to doze off. I love that part. I live there now because I've been doing it for so long. I remember a couple of years ago I made a video on the ladder technique and the ATM technique. So from the ATM technique is really just seeing yourself in the mind's eye at an ATM, the one you might be using frequently. There's always one you use regularly. See yourself there pulling out such an amount of money, but you hear the sound of your ATM. I don't know what it is in your area. It could be whatever, but you want to hear that sound right before you drift off to sleep and you're at the machine. Punch in your 4-digit code and then see yourself withdrawing large sums of money, $5,000 from the ATM machine. Somebody might say, oh, that's too much money. You can't do that. I'm like, you don't live in Las Vegas. In Las Vegas, there are ATM machines that give out $5,000 cash. So you want to hear the numbers. You just want to hear it. That's how you bring it about. Visualization. And you might want to even consider activating your desire. By activating it, I mean you want to add some feeling to it. So whatever it is you're trying to create through the tool of visualization, you want to look at it in your mind's eye, anywhere in the mind. Some people like to look here. If you want to, fine. Just put your head eyes up and tilt slowly. Get into that sort of like dizzy subconscious state. Or when you're about to sleep, and then see it. See that image. And you're visualizing it. This is for beginners. This is very, very basic. You visualize it and see yourself doing it, hear something. Even try to imagine how it will touch. How it would touch. Imagine how it would make you feel when you have that desire. So when you're adding feeling to that visualization, to that image, or adding feeling to it, you can simply drop your shoulders. That's a subconscious and conscious feeling of relief. I got it. You're visualizing. And you're going to get that feeling. For some other people, you can actually will your mind. Use your conscious mind to create a tingle from the back of your neck here. Just think, the back of your neck, the hairs on the back of your neck. You will feel a tingle. If you can create that tingle while visualizing, you're looking at your image, looking at yourself, looking at your desire. One way, you are looking out from your desire, like maybe you want a car. You're looking from yourself at the steering wheel, looking out, and you're also looking in. So that's two ways. It's like your perception. Shift your perception in your visualization. That's for beginners, but it's really for advanced. Shift your perspective in your visualization. It's like create yourself in a 3D model. Look at yourself like a 3D action figure. Look at yourself like an action figure, and then create feelings into that. They will subconsciously come to you. And you visualize, and always be saying it, seeing and clearly. And when you're looking up, you can even squint your eyes to get that feeling of brightness. It helps to create the feeling, which activates the visualization. And you just need to do this process for at least 68 seconds. 68 seconds, and that is really the base. You do that once a day. If you feel really good doing it, you might want to do it, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 times a day, depending on how fast you want to get your desire. And consider using the Neville Goddard's SATS technique, scene akin to sleep, state akin to sleep. That's really one of the easiest. I actually drink cups of water so that I'll have to get up in the middle of the night to use the restroom, so I have to get back to sleep. So I have to get back to sleep and get back into that drowsy state about 3 or 4 times a night. It works greatly. So, I don't want this video to be too long, but I hope you get the idea on visualization. How you can just visualize, how you can help yourself to visualize more. Always use the 5 senses to visualize what you want. That's really the key. Your 5 senses, and attach a feeling. Shoulders down, relaxation. Chest out, confidence. Add that feeling to the visualization and you'll get it quicker. Ask your other mentors or teachers or coaches, or go around on YouTube videos and look into what I've just told you. It's the truth. So have a great day. I love you all. Till the next video.